welcome back to Shadow Artist and Sister Wei Chen from Real Wei Chen Mo. Remember to subscribe to the channel so you guys can find us from Shadow Artist. You guys already know. Get from your entire channel, Real Wei Chen Mo, and keeping you. So today I just make this cool. Oh, Assistant Wei Chen, cool boat. So we're gonna teach you how to make it like after we test how low it can go. So, but now we're gonna test how low it can float on the water.
And it also looks like a shoe.
Yeah, but now let's go get everything ready for bye.
Yo!
Guys, we are back. Now we're gonna test it out.
With the iPad. Mo and TikTok.
We're putting it over here. So we're gonna try 5 minutes first, and let's go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my gosh, is it floating?
That's actually floating.
Guys, let's get out of here and film from here. Guys, let's see if we can go after. If it go more than 10 minutes, I'm gonna go crazy. No. Don't just try it, right, guys? Spend a lot of time making it. Oh my gosh, this is floating so well. It's not even starting to get wet. Oh my gosh. This is crazy.
This is a book, right?
Guys, if you're wondering why it's not wet, you'll see at the end of the video. I think I'm tired.
The duct tape actually worked.
Yeah.
Man, I don't think we should do this. Where Papa is out there and he is not feeling very well. So dealing with this, especially with...
Okay guys, you film for Chen. And
But
then
there's no water.
I need to go toilet. But now...
But there's no water in the house. But there's no water in the house. You think water comes out magically?
Yeah, I'm going to toilet. So if this is finished, try another 5 minutes. If it goes more than 10 minutes, tell me. I'm going to go toilet. Bye.
Oh guys, he's watching the breast. He's waiting like at the time. Oh, and also, I am actually shouting out, Yo, go watch it. Subscribe. Okay. But seriously, subscribe to Yo. Sorry, we actually passed out there, so now like it is so. Is it what? It is what, but is it? It's not feeling its thing. Let's see if I can actually work. Ha! Yeah. It's not finished yet!
What? Is this still there?
Yes, 2 minutes.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look,
I even tried to push it down with my hand.
10!
It didn't work, see?
You left some water in, bro.
But who cares? It's still flowing!
I can.
I was just showing the shot again what it is.
Oh my gosh, guys. It's getting a bit wet, seriously, inside. But
I'm
okay.
seeing if it's even waterproof from the paper side.
Paper is
What happened if we didn't have duct tape?
Wait, did you just?
What happened if we didn't have duct tape?
No, Chen. I just make this so well.
Yes.
Guys, I only got my chair to sit. It's so long. Come, dude. I put a nice school jacket face on top. Papa. Look at this.
And there is no water supply here.
My gosh.
Dude, are you even thinking about the people in this video?
Oh, no, dude, get back.
You forgot about Papa.
Oh, guys.
He's sick, and there's
look, 43 seconds left, and look, it's still so wow.
It's almost the end.
No, we're gonna try 10 minutes. If we go through 10 minutes, it should be so cool.
And then, no, let's just stick to 5.
No.
Fine, I'm out, okay?
Why, bro?
After I finish 10 minutes talking, okay?
Okay, bye-bye. See you later. Alligator.
Okay.
Hey, forget saying a wild crocodile.
And what, crocodile?
Okay, crocodile. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so cool. 5 minutes out. Let's go again. This is so freaking cool.
And don't forget to watch Chloe.
Who's that? Oh. His assistant there is pretending to use some Lego to make bicycle. Oh my gosh, look, Carol! I made a paper boat and it's floating. I can't believe it, guys. Yo, guys, this is so cool. Look, I added a dragon on it. Carol is still playing with his phone.
I'm watching.
Oh my gosh, my plan worked! I am a chicken, guys. I am a chicken man. Okay, that's a bit funny. Guys, this is really so loud.
I am a chicken. I am a chicken. I am a chicken.
Almost done. Oh, this is only 1 minute goes. Okay, look, guys. 3 minutes. It's already 8 minutes. No, it's 7 minutes. Oh my gosh, it's bubbling up. Oh no, guys. Let's go. Woo! Hey, guys. You wanna go cheer for Shadow Guy? Shadow Boat! Shadow Boat!
Shadow boat.
Mom is staring at us.
Yeah.
We can get kicked out of here. Oh my gosh, guys. He's seriously surviving!
One of the funny things.
Look at show Mom. Get out. Get the chair out, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, get the chair out. Mom! You see my boat is floating how well? Hey? Are you tired? Okay, can you just kind of look for a while? Look at this, guys. You're putting it there and not wasting water. Chen, don't. Look. It's only floating for like 8 minutes.
Who teach you that?
I did it myself.
No one teach you?
No.
What to do?
No.
Then how you know the things help you to float?
Oh, you will see. Chen. Let's go.
What?
Okay, that's all we need to do for. Bye, Mom.
Yeah. Bye.
You sound like a K-pop thing.
Bye.
He's back in. Oh my holy shit! This is going. Chen, no. Don't do that, Chen. Serious. Dara, what are you doing? Get back and sit on. 1 minute left. It's going so well. Guys, it's gonna be so cool. 10 minutes to show you guys, and I think I need another 10 minutes to show you guys that.
It will be stuck there, right? I put in my hand. Just put in my hand.
So cool, guys. 1 minute, it's still floating. Holy shit. High five, Jen, I did it. Hey, guys, he slapped me. Guys, I got a funny rhyme for you guys. If your grandmother is attacking you and you don't know what to do, just show your pets and your
Copyright.
grandmother will start dancing too.
Hey, you're copyrighted. We cannot post this video anymore because you sang a song that.
No, guys, I hope. Okay, if you this video. Please don't ban our account. I'm really hot on this, so please don't.
Here.
Guys, 38 more seconds left.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I got a good news. If you get hurt, if my boat sink before the time,
Yeah.
you can ban our account. But if it didn't, you can't.
Yeah. Okay.
Deal?
Leave us a comment down below.
Can we get out? Oh my gosh.
15,
Get
14, 13, 12, 11, 12, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes! That did it! My boat survived! Oh my gosh. OMG, guys. My boat survived!
And now let's clean it up and use this as a shoe now.
No.
Oh no, you're dropping water on the floor.
We have to wipe it dry, guys. So you can reuse it again. Ready?
Oh, no, you're on the table.
Not your pants. Oh, 3D boat is a bit, rusty. Oh no, guys.
Is that glass? No.
I bet water's getting in.
Here's my pants. Watch the box.
Hey guys, guess what? I made this boat and it floats. Chad!
Sorry. What's the box?
This takes a while. Ma, can we use a hair dryer to dry this later?
其實大家都係熟齡嘅兄弟啊，
Yes!
我唔想自己人打字。
You're the best, Mom.
呢個任務
Oh my gosh, so guys.
Yeah.
If you guys have to go check out part 2 that I'm going to teach you guys how to make this cool
This
boat.
thing is all wet.
So